And while the district is saying that it's doing everything that it can, some are now also asking if the district should be held accountable, while others are wondering if parents can be held responsible for the violent actions of their children on campuses.
News 3's Lauren Clark has been talking with an attorney today to get answers to those questions. She's live outside Rancho High School. And Lauren, would that be possible?
Yeah, so the short answer is they can, but it's a little complicated.
It's dominating both headlines and conversations in our community. Report after report of brutal fights and violence inside CCSD schools. On Wednesday, 3 students were arrested on 3 separate campuses for threatening their teachers. And in an incident that rattled the Las Vegas Valley, a 16-year-old is behind bars accused of attacking and sexually assaulting a teacher at El Dorado High School. In a recent press conference, Superintendent Dr. Jesus Jara had this to say about the violence.
Violent acts, assaults, and bullying will not be tolerated in the Clark County School District, and those who choose to engage in those activities will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.
But some viewers have asked News 3, what about the parents? Can they be prosecuted, held civilly or criminally responsible for their child's behavior? I took that direct question to attorney Eric Blank.
They can have criminal responsibility. As far as proving that, yeah, it can be challenging.
Challenging, he says, because you need a lot of proof.
It is difficult because you have to show a level of negligence from the parents that they knew of these violent propensities, that there were certain incidences before, and still took no steps to prevent it from happening.
He says this can be true if parents know about their child's repeated violent behavior, but don't keep weapons in the home secure. That's currently the case for James and Jennifer Crumbly, parents of accused Michigan school shooter Ethan Crumbly. Prosecutors say they bought their son the gun used in the crime and failed to address concerns about his mental health. Still, Blank says these cases are not common.
Definitely a minority of the cases, both civilly and criminally.
And school leaders urge parents to step up.
I am imploring our parents to talk to your children and be involved in their lives.
And Blank also wants to encourage parents who have a student who's a victim of school violence to speak up and to advocate for their children. Reporting live near downtown Las Vegas, Lauren Clark, News 3.
All right, thanks so much, Lauren. And